No internet, no worries. Quick fixes for mobile internet. Yes, we are talking about this, that how to switch on or solve the mobile data problem. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Today we're gonna talk about that what to do if your internet is not working, what to do if few websites or apps are not opening, what to do if your Wi-Fi hotspot is not connecting or not working properly on your mobile phone. First of all, request like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon, and don't forget to comment if we solve this problem. Please watch the video till the end. Now what we have to do for mobile problems, we have to go to the mobile phone. Yes, I am setting it up here so that you will see a good visibility. So what we have to do, we have to go to the mobile phone, go to the settings. From settings you have to search for reset. From reset settings you will see these reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. Click on this, and after that you will see a reset settings option over here. In many phones you will find different type of options. You have to search for that, reset, and type the passcode, and it will ask you, you really want to reset? Okay, reset, and it's reset. Now your network will be closed. You have to switch your data back on. You have to set up your Wi-Fi hotspot again, and you have to connect all the Wi-Fi's again, but your internet problem will be gone. 99.9% your internet problem will be gone. Otherwise you have to do more things that I will let you know in the next few videos. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.